everyone, this is Runke here for Niger Foodie. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the tips for ripening plantain. So the first thing that I'm doing is putting some of the plantain in a plain bag. You can use a black bag, so any kind of plastic bag will work for this option. The second thing I'm doing is just putting the plantains in a brown bag. And remember, the goal here is to see which of the options will actually ripen the fastest or which of the options will not ripen at all. Okay, so the third and final option that I'm doing is putting the plantains in a brown bag, but I'm also adding an apple, which is supposed to help the plantains ripen faster. This is Roke reporting from the plantain experiment station. Today is day 7. Remember the white nylon bag? That's the one I'm going to show you process. Alright, the entire bag. Brown bag. Remember this brown bag? Alright, the entire bag. And then we have the apple. Here's the apple. Here's the plantain. Alright, the entire bag. Hi guys, it is Ronke here, and today we're doing the plantain experiment update. So today is day 14. Are the plantains from Walmart? No. I bought the plantains from Superstore. Did I have control samples? Yes, I kept 2 out just in the pantry where I would typically keep plantain. Did I keep the plantains in a warm, dark, humid environment? Yes, I did. Let me show you where I kept them. So I kept the plantains here in this IKEA container, and I left this in the pantry. So in like a dark place, humid. It's actually kind of wet in here just from the humidity. And yeah, so those are the questions that people asked. Now let's open the plantains and see where we're at in day 14. You want to take a guess? All right, let's go. I'm going to open this brown bag first. Ripe plantain! Ripe at last, right? So this is the bag that didn't have the apple. So compared to the control, now ripe, 14 days later though. Next, we have the ones in the plastic bag. No surprise here, I guess. We can already see that they are ripe. But are they any more ripe or any less ripe than the ones in the bag? I would say they're actually not as ripe as the ones in the brown bag. You can kind of see these ones are like ripe, but still really hard. And these ones are like ripe and like almost like super ripe. So I have the final bag with the apple in the bag. And let's see. Ooh, ripe, nice and ripe. Kind of similar to this plastic bag. So what is the conclusion of our experiment? I think that all of the methods kind of work equally, I would say. I think the first brown bag kind of like ripened more than all of the other ones. So I would say that's kind of like the fastest, but I don't think it's that significant. And then keeping the plantains in a bag is definitely better than just leaving them out, because in comparison to our control, we have super yellow plantains, and the control ones are like not even ripe at all, and they're actually just drying up, I would say. All right, on to the next experiment.